Are your project budgets constantly spiraling out of control? Well, in this explainer, we're going to build a really powerful AI-driven cost control system in Excel, literally from scratch. By the time we're done, you'll have a workflow that saves a ton of time, slashes errors, and puts you right back in command of your project's finances. Okay, let's just dive right in. We all know the pain. Manual cost tracking. It's a nightmare, right? You've got inaccurate data, human error, and then those awful surprise overruns that can just kill a project's profitability. It is time for a better way. And right now, we're going to build it together. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to start with a super solid Excel foundation. Then we'll start layering on some powerful features for tracking variance, managing changes, and of course, automation. And for the grand finale, we'll unleash the power of AI to give you a, frankly, unbeatable edge in project control. First up, let's build the absolute core of our system in Excel. Now, this is going to be our single source of truth for the entire project, so you really want to pay attention here. Getting this part right is absolutely crucial for everything that comes next. So our whole system really starts with two key tabs. First, the contract BOQ, which is our financial baseline. This has every single item, quantity, and rate that was agreed upon in the contract. And here's the rule. Once it's set, it is locked in. You never, ever change it. Next, we've got the actuals tab. This is where the site engineers are going to track every item that gets installed. This is where the rubber meets the road. Okay, so our baseline is locked in, and our actuals are starting to flow in from the site. Now it's time to unlock the secrets hidden in that data. We're about to transform these raw numbers into powerful insights that will help you make much, much better decisions.
Next up, we're creating our Variance tab. And honestly, this is where the magic really starts to happen. We'll use a simple VLOOKUP formula to automatically pull data from our BOQ and our actuals tabs. Just think of it like a little search engine inside Excel. It looks up an item in one sheet and instantly grabs its price from the other. This gives us a perfect side-by-side comparison of planned versus actual costs. Then we'll use conditional formatting to make any overruns instantly glow red and any savings pop in green. You won't have to hunt for problems anymore. They'll literally jump right out.
Now, to keep everybody on the same page, we're going to create a monthly report tab. This thing is going to provide a really clean, high-level summary of the project's financial health. We're just pulling in the key totals. It's the perfect snapshot for management and stakeholders who just need the bottom line, and they need it fast. Look, no project goes exactly to plan, right? Change is inevitable. The good news is our system is built to handle it. From last-minute design tweaks to those unexpected swings in material prices, let's look at how we can manage all that chaos. So the number one rule to managing change effectively is you have to document everything. Our Variations tab is going to track every single adjustment, showing the old rate right next to the new rate, and most importantly, linking to the official document that authorized it. We'll also have a separate tab for any index-based price adjustments, which makes sure there's total transparency when it comes to cost escalation. You ready to put your cost control system on autopilot? Because in this next step, we're going to automate all the tedious parts of the workflow. This is going to free you up from boring data entry so you can focus on what actually matters, making smart, informed decisions. Using a really simple no-code tool, something like Make.com or Power Automate, we can create an automation that literally watches your inbox for new actuals files from the site team. As soon as one arrives, boom, it's automatically saved to the correct cloud folder, ready for our system to use. So say goodbye to manual file management forever. All right, now let's add some serious brain power to our system. We're going to integrate AI to act as your own personal cost control assistant. It's going to intelligently flag risks long before they turn into major problems. So instead of you spending hours sifting through data, you can now just feed the raw output from your variance sheet directly to an AI. It will instantly tell you the biggest risks, rank them by financial impact, and give you a clear, actionable summary. I'm telling you, this is an absolute game changer for project managers. Okay, for our final step, we'll create a clean, visual dashboard that gives management a crystal clear view of the project's financial health. No more overwhelming spreadsheets. We're talking just the key information they need to make smart, timely decisions. Our dashboard is going to show the most important KPIs at a single glance: the total variance, what the forecasted cost is at completion, and the number of high-risk items that need immediate attention. This is exactly the kind of one-page summary that drives real action and keeps your project on track. So the crucial point to remember is that a great system requires discipline. You have to live by a few key rules. Document every single change, protect that baseline BOQ like it's sacred, and always remember, AI is an amazing tool, but it's not a replacement for your expertise. You are still in the driver's seat. And there you have it. You now have the complete blueprint to build a world-class cost control system. It's time to put it into action and take real, proactive control of your project's finances. So the only question left is, what are you going to automate first?